Hey, John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and let's talk about at what age is most appropriate to purchase an annuity. So with annuities, I have a lot of people that watch my show and they call in and they're like, I really like what you have to say. I really want annuity income rider. I want the growth. And I'm thinking if I do this earlier rather than later, I'm going to get a ton more income, which is true. But most people that reach out to me are usually in their 50s, 60s, 70s, sometimes older, just depends on what their situation is. But usually they're a few years from retirement or they are a month or two from retirement. So it just depends on that individual. And of course, in some instances, doing it earlier is better, but it just depends. It depends on the annuity company. It depends on the income benefit growth rate that you might be getting. For instance, American Equity will provide, at least as of this recording, they will give you 7% every year for 10 years and then 4% for another 5 years after that. Guaranteed growth for income. So if you're thinking, all right, well, I want to retire at 65, then the most opportune time to invest in that annuity would be 50 years old. Okay, that would be perfect because you got 15 years of solid guaranteed growth that's going to give you a ton of guaranteed income. Now, what if you're 30? Okay, what if you just moved jobs and you got some money in a 401k from your past employer and you're thinking, you know what, I've got a few $100,000 in here and I'd like to have some guarantees, in addition to whatever you're doing in the stock market. Then that could be a perfect time to do a 1035 transfer from that 401k, an old 401k, into an IRA with a carrier with an annuity. And that, of course, that annuity will grow. And if you're young, it's going to grow for a long, long time and give you a lot of guaranteed income later on. So it just depends on what you're thinking and what your goals are. So sometimes you don't need an income rider. Sometimes you could just get growth and we can put it in some sort of income product later on. So if you don't want any fees early on, you don't have to have those either. So it just depends on your unique situation, what your income goals are, maybe what your other portfolio looks like, how much growth you're getting from that, how much contributions you're putting into it on a regular basis. All of that matters. And so when we look at your goals, then we'll determine, is it too early? Or should you wait a little bit longer to put money into an annuity? Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If you want to chat and you're thinking that you would like to look at some annuity options for yourself, go ahead and book a call. You'll notice there is a link below this video, and you can get on my calendar, and we'll talk about whatever you're looking for as far as income, as far as market protection and growth, and go from there. So I'll show you all of the annuities that are available and give you all the information that you need so that you can make the best decision for yourself. So anyways, hope that helps. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.